Hi, in this video I will show you how to do a pat-down search for a person. Before starting, always explain the procedure. I will do a pat-down search for safety. It's a quick. Is that okay for you?
Yes.
Stand straight, feet apart, your arms slightly away from your sides. Thank you. I use the front of my hands to check over the clothing only. We're gonna start checking from her hair. Please, can you take off your hair tie, please? Now we can start. When we finish, we put it in the other side so we can check her shoulders. Please, your arm a little bit up, turn it. Thank you. The other side also. We check also the side, the back, and the other side. Now I use the back of my hand so I can check over the hips and the pockets. And if I feel anything strange, I ask the person to take off anything they have in their pockets by themselves. Please, can you take off the things that you have in their pockets? Thank you. And here we go, we found something in their pocket. And now I check her lower parts. And now we do the same thing in the front. I'll take off her hair and I'll put it in the back, and I start checking over the neck. Shoulders to the chest. We check over the pants. And now I use the back of my hand so I can control the lower parts. And we always check inside the pants. And thank you, the check is complete.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye bye.